Welcome to Travejoy Unlimited channel.
Now, we are visiting Popeyes, famous Louisiana Chicken. This is a new one at this place. In Popeyes, famous Louisiana Chicken, we do not only enjoy regular fried chicken, with a secret recipe that has been passed down for years. The symphony of aromas filled the air. The tantalizing scent of perfectly seasoned, crispy chicken, the sizzle of chicken frying in the kitchen, the enticing fragrance wafted through the air, wrapping the entire space in a cloak of mouth-watering anticipation. It was a fragrance that told tales of culinary mastery and cherished family recipes passed down through generations, promising a culinary experience unlike any other. Visitors enjoy their meals with smiles and full pleasure. Every bite is a magical taste. Not only is the taste tempting, but also the extraordinary dining experience. Popeyes, famous Louisiana Chicken, not only provides food but also unforgettable moments. In addition to serving delicious fried chicken, it also provides a family-friendly environment where children can play and have fun. When you enter this place, you will find a well-designed dedicated play area to entertain your little ones. Visitors can enjoy their meals comfortably in pleasant and cozy seating. As soon as you enter the restaurant, you will be welcomed by a warm and friendly atmosphere. The seating is designed with a focus on visitor comfort. The neatly arranged tables create ample space to enjoy meals with family and friends. The interior was a delightful blend of rustic charm and modern flair. The walls were adorned with vibrant murals depicting scenes of Louisiana's rich culture and heritage, transporting visitors to a world of Southern hospitality. The tantalizing scent of crispy chicken mingled with the comforting aroma of freshly baked cornbread, creating an irresistible symphony for the senses. Stepping inside the Louisiana Chicken outlet, immersed in a captivating blend of rustic charm and modern flair. The interior design was a testament to the restaurant's dedication to creating an inviting atmosphere. You will find warning signs and rules clearly displayed at the children's play area. The purpose is to remind visitors, especially parents bringing their children, about the importance of ensuring their children's safety while using the playground equipment. Widescreen TVs are strategically placed inside the restaurant to showcase the history and food preparation process before being served to the visitors. traditions were honored, and hospitality was paramount. The restaurant had captured the essence of Louisiana, transforming a simple dining experience into a journey of the senses. In this delightful blend of rustic charm and modern flair, the Louisiana Chicken outlet had created a haven where guests could not only indulge in mouth-watering dishes, but also immerse themselves in the rich tapestry of Louisiana's heritage. It was a place where the senses were awakened, where the past and the present harmoniously coexisted, and where the love for food and community thrived. There are 4 digital screens that can be used to make an order by the customers. When entering the restaurant lobby, visitors will be welcomed by a spacious and open area, providing freedom for customers to move around freely. The lobby area also has a well-organized layout. The queue area for ordering or waiting for a table is clearly separated. With this spacious and open lobby space, the restaurant creates a friendly environment for customers. The employees diligently and dedicatedly maintain the cleanliness of the premises. They understand the importance of creating a clean and comfortable environment for the visitors. The walls of the restaurant are decorated with delightful ornaments and slogans that please the eyes of the visitors. Every detail is cleverly designed to create a joyful and inviting atmosphere. With a trained and efficient team of employees, fast and responsive service is the slogan to provide quick and responsive service to every visitor. The restaurant staff are skilled and prompt in preparing food and drinks for the visitors. They are dedicated to providing the best service and ensuring that every dish is prepared quickly and accurately. The employees wear neat and professional uniforms, ready to serve the visitors with smiles and friendliness. They maintain their appearance to be clean and orderly, reflecting the standards of quality and professionalism. Popeyes, the famous Louisiana Chicken, has a slogan that captures the satisfaction of the visitors: cooked slow, served fast. The cooked slow aspect emphasizes the importance of careful cooking processes. The dishes are prepared meticulously, using tested recipes and high-quality ingredients. Slow cooking is the key to achieving perfect flavors. In order to respect the visitor's time, it is necessary to serve the dishes quickly. Creative decorations adorn the walls of the restaurant, with vibrant colors and captivating designs. These decorations add a charming and enticing touch that delights the senses of the visitors. The placed order has arrived and is ready to be enjoyed. The dish was a work of culinary art, beautifully arranged with vibrant colors and enticing textures. Visitors are seen enjoying their chicken dishes and beverages with great satisfaction. The restaurant is filled with a joyful atmosphere and culinary delight, with each table witnessing visitors enthusiastically savoring their meals. With full concentration, they savor every crispy and delicious bite of the fried chicken.
Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share this video and subscribe the channel too.